In today's video, we'll be looking at Krishna River system. Going deep into it, Krishna is the second largest east flowing river of peninsula, and Krishna River rises in Mahabaleshwar at an altitude of 1336 meter near the Jor village in the extreme north of district Satara, Maharashtra in the west, and meets the Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh on the eastern coast. So we will be looking into it deeply when we discuss the map of Krishna River Basin. Ecologically, this is one of the disastrous rivers in the world. As what are the reasons? It causes heavy soil erosion during the monsoon season. So it is bound by the Balghat range in the north and by the eastern Ghats on the south and the east and the western Ghats in the west. So it is somewhat in the middle of all these things. So in the north we have Balghat range and eastern Ghats on the south and western Ghats on the west. Okay, on the south and the east we have eastern Ghats, and in the west we have western Ghats, and in the north we have Balghat range. Okay, the total length of the river from the origin of its outfall into the Bay of Bengal is 1400 kilometer. Okay, the major part of the basin is covered with agricultural land, according to about 75% or 76% of the total area. So Krishna forms a large delta with a shoreline of 120 km. So Almaty Dam, Sri Salem Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, and Prakasham Barrage are some of the major dams constructed in the river. So when we discussed about Prakasham Dam or Prakasham Barrage is recently in the current affairs. So look closely into that. And so when we discuss about the river systems, it is important to know about the various infrastructural developments along the flow of the rivers. So keep a look into it. And when we look into the map of Krishna River, we can see Krishna is over here, Bhima and Varna, Malprabha, Tunga. So these are some of the main rivers we can say, and part of it. And over here we have Karnataka, and over here it's going part of Maharashtra. I mean, over here we have Andhra Pradesh and we have Karnataka over here, and parts of Telangana. And also it's flowing in a way that we have discussed. In the north we have the Balghat range over here, and we have western Ghats over here and eastern Ghats over here and south. Okay, so it's coming in between all these things. So I hope today's lecture, even though it was really small, got you a basic idea about the Krishna River system. So until we meet again, God bless you all. Jai Hind.